Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will do a quick little TA update on Bitcoin and some of the other financial markets. But I have decided that I want to make these TA videos a bit shorter and perhaps make some longer ones when there is special news that arrives. Um, the crisis is still going with the two countries and markets have been shifting both ways, and there are explanations to that, of course. However, um, it's not a good time to trade, in my opinion, because every hour there's a new news update that comes, and when that happens, we just suddenly it shifts the entire market. So it's not a very smooth time to be trading, in my opinion. But yeah, quick little disclaimer, guys, before starting the video. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say on my channel should be taken as financial advice because I may be completely wrong. And if I was right before, that doesn't mean I'll be right in the future. So keep that in mind, guys, and let's get to it. If you haven't watched my video, my last video, um, I'll put the tag up top so you guys can straight away find that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the charts. So this is Bitcoin, and last time we had this bullish pennant that had formed right over here. So this was the last video, and of course a lot has happened since last video, and I did not post an update the next day like I promised. But yeah, I promise to do so from now on. I don't like these candles. I like the normal candles. Yes, all right. So this is where we left off last time. So we had this bull flag forming on the 1 hourly chart, and I was able to find a bullish pennant, which was right over here, and our target was $41,600. But then, actually, like literally 15 minutes after the video, I realized that this would be unrealistic due to other things, and we did break out, and we broke out actually like what 10, 15, or even half an hour after the video, and I took this trade. I took the trade right here at $38,700, and we topped at $39,650. So as you can see, I have these arrows here because I actually did go on into a trade. I did both a paper trade on TradingView, and I did one on the exchange, of course. So yeah, guys, that is where we are. And as I was saying, I knew that this would be unrealistic because we actually formed a after I checked the charts for a while, we actually did form this. So 1 second. We formed something like this, and this was the real triangle. So I took the trade from here, bounced back, and I was bullish, and we continued the uptrend, but then we did fall down, and that was mainly due to fundamental analysis, that what's happened with the global economy, etc. So oh, actually, hold on. Why did I delete that? Because I wanted to show you guys something. The target that we actually reached, and this is a lesson for me as well, to be honest with you, the target we reached was actually the height of the base of this triangle. So if we put it through that breakout, we literally came like almost to the top of this. So when you saw it falling, it would have been smart to take profit. So next time I'm not going to measure from the bull flag and give the target based on that. I will give it from the pennant itself. So that's a lesson learned for me. And you could have told that this was not going to happen, because obviously the Bollinger Bands were not extended enough for it to actually happen. Let's have a look at the S&P, the correlation with the S&P. Yep, beautifully correlated. Now I don't know why it's like that. 1 sec. Yeah. Let's compare S&P, new price scale. There we go. Hold on. Compare S&P, same scale. Yeah, okay. I don't know why it's not working, but what we can tell is that the S&P has had a identical rise with Bitcoin, which is not good for me because the reason why this is happening, why Bitcoin is so much correlated with the stock market and other traditional markets, is because it's being traded as a tech stock, and it's not being traded as a inflationary hedge like gold. Because if we go and look at gold, obviously gold rallied, and we had some news, and what a beautiful shooting star to have shorted gold right there as well. We were way above the Bollinger Band. Great indication for a shorting opportunity, which we topped at around $1,975. So yeah, that's what Bitcoin should be traded as gold. It should be treated as gold because it is a deflationary asset. But again, because it's just based on scarcity, and again, I'm not a big Bitcoin maximalist as per se, and I don't think it will get to the $1 million, $10 million range, and it will not become the currency of the world as people like to think of it as, because there are certain issues and certain reasons, which is my opinion, of course, completely, and why I think it won't happen. So yeah, that's a topic for a later video, but yeah, it's been treated as a tech stock, which is understandable because Bitcoin is software. It is just basically software, but if you look at it that way, so the only thing that it's against is it's software, which is actually pretty basic. It's not that complicated. It's a very simple piece of software. Like Dogecoin has almost the same software as Bitcoin, but again, because there is a higher supply of Dogecoin, that's the only reason why it's at a lower price. So yeah, I've been changing my views on crypto lately, but yeah, I've had mixed feelings in the past few weeks as I did even more research than I already do. So yeah, my views have shifted a bit, and again, we're approaching the top of this Bollinger Band, so we might have a reversal from the swing high, which is at $40,300. Which we have obviously support at, right this level. We have a lot of support, and then you would go back to support at $44,800. But yeah, it is normal that we are trading along this position. Again, last video we talked about why this was the low and how it would have been a great opportunity. Again, you're seeing the bullish Harami candle there, reversal hammer candle, Bollinger Band bottom. There were so many reasons why that this was the bottom. So if we go into the daily just real quick, there was a strong support line here, which if it broke, then it would have been terrible days for Bitcoin. But yeah, anyway, so before I started this video, we were actually at this EMA ribbon, so we were at $38,800, and as soon as we broke this EMA ribbon, we just blasted even more. So that's crazy. What are my views? What do I think will happen in the short term? Again, my complete opinion. I am actually not sure at all because of the current situation and how news has a significant impact more than ever on Bitcoin and traditional assets. So I do not sure, but from Simply TA, like after I saw this candle, I would have thought we would have gone down lower, but again, this candle would have changed my mind. So I don't know, I can't predict right now on the 4-hourly. If you go to the 1-hourly, it still looks bullish, so we may touch the swing high of $40,300 maybe, or touch this swing high of $39,860, and then have a little bit of a correction. But look at the volume we're seeing here. We're seeing a huge level of volume this at this level, and I actually did not check the latest news, so let me have a look on what could have influenced this huge pump. And yeah, I didn't plan it before the video, because you know I like to do things spontaneously. It's not really okay. Alright, so again, it's the same news with 20 minutes ago. So this candle, yeah, this was at 7, so yeah, makes sense. Expands. Okay, so yeah, again, it's country. Basically, let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this real quick. I want to let's have a look at Forex. Yep. So this was very predicted. Okay, this is the Russian ruble, Russia's currency, and after U.S. has done some blocking trade with certain currencies, you know it was predicted that this asset in particular was going to lose a drastic amount of value, and so it did quite a bit, almost 30% from its high. So that was expected, and and basically, I saw the news right now. I just checked. It's the slightest bullish news or hopeful news impacts the price heavily, or again, devastating news. So look at this candle, man. Like, since the beginning of this video, which was like almost 11 minutes ago, we were just at here, which was $39,000. So yeah, that's crazy that we've moved up so quick and so fast. Again, this candle looks very bullish. If we close in 5 minutes, that is at $39,700, then I will be extremely bullish. But we're incredibly above the Bollinger Bands, which is what's concerning me. But other than that, we do look fine. We do look fine for Bitcoin. We got to just watch out the important support areas, important resistance areas, which is again, firstly, $39,800. Wow, look at this candle, man. Look at this candle, beautiful candle. Again, we're getting rejected. We don't want to get rejected. We want to blast through these EMA ribbons, because as long as we're below these EMA ribbons, then it's still bearish. But we're actually making higher highs, which is very interesting, because oh no, hold on, sorry, are we? No, we aren't. Sorry about that. No, we aren't. So we made a lower high, and then a lower high. Yep, it's still a lower high, and we can potentially make another lower high, and if that happens, then that just confirms a full-on downtrend. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's pretty much it on Bitcoin and some other markets. If we look at the total market cap of the entire crypto market, yeah, it's the same. It's the same chart as Bitcoin as usual. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much all the updates that we gotta have on Bitcoin right now. I'm just seeing this. I did not see this before, which is weird. I don't usually do TA on total market cap. That's probably why I didn't see it. But we have this sort of broadening wedge or a channel. It's starting to become more of a broadening wedge than a channel. But yeah, we tested the channel, we couldn't break out. But remember, the more we test and touch the support line and the resistance line, the more likely it is to break either to the upside or to the downside. So we have touched this support line 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Yeah, let's say 4 times, and we touched 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so is getting weaker, and currently looks like there is a higher probability just from this given channel that we have a higher chance of breaking to the downside. But I do think we're showing strength up here, and if we manage to break out, if we do break out at $1.85 trillion, then I am back bullish, baby. I am back bullish on Bitcoin. So yeah, that is it for the markets and for Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin still climbing. I'm gonna go back to the hourly and let's see if we closed yet. There's still 1 minute and 30 seconds. The candle being formed is a beautiful candle, and it is larger than any candles around. So if this candle again doesn't have a huge wick and immediately come back down in the next 1 minute and 20 seconds, then this candle indicates a continuation of the bullish trend, short-term bullish trend. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was the quick little TA update on all the markets. I'm gonna have a look at the DXY. DXY is doing pretty bad. Again, that is why Bitcoin is doing pretty well. So look at the S&P market just opened recently. What do I think of this candle? I think of this candle as a very bullish candle. If we close like this, we may gap up. I don't think so, actually. I'm not sure. We still have half an hour on this candle. I don't know about gapping up, by the way. Sorry about that. I don't know. We have to monitor, but again, this candle on its own with this gap looks bullish. So yeah, the overall market is looking pretty good. $39,800. Wow. I should have done a live stream instead of a video. Because this is very interesting. Come on, man. 4, close here, close here, close here, 2. Alright, this is beautiful. Yeah, watch. Yep, this is gonna go up. 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 It's very obvious. Yep, would I get into a trade right now? The only reason I would not, if I wasn't looking at any of this, zero just charts, judging from just this candle pattern and this candle on its own, maybe. But again, we are very close to a line of support, so I don't know if I would risk it. And again, crypto markets are like traditional markets, especially in insanely volatile situations during crisis times. It's not great. Yeah, look, rejection. See, but again, this is the beginning of the candle. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what's gonna happen next. So yeah, thank you for watching. I know I've said this for like the 50th time this video, so I was just gonna end it earlier, but yeah, what to do. We did another 18-minuter right there. So yeah, by the way, good news, I am getting a new microphone, a Blue Yeti in fact, so we should be fine with the mic situation. And I know the NFT video got a lot of views compared to my other videos, of course. So I will be doing more NFT projects and more crypto projects, potentially ICOs, and how-to tutorials and just coin analysis. So I just want to do a bit of everything, and we will see what will happen in the future. But yeah, I'm just trying to find some time, and in the time I find, I just try to pump out these videos. And to me, if you realize, I don't do much editing because I just want to pump out my quality content and not waste time editing and whatnot. But once we reach a stage where we're pretty good, so at that point I will have to sort the editing out somehow. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned if you wanna the latest updates with TA especially, then do hit the notification bell, because I post literally, because I don't do much editing on my TA videos, I post it straight after. So turn on the notification bells if you want to stay informed, and do subscribe. So thank you so much. Follow my Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.